my channel. So today's video is going to be on this look that has never been done before ever on my channel, you know, something that has like literally never been created before. I literally just came up with this today. It's just so innovative and so powerful, you know. It's okay, I'm just gonna say it. It's a cut crease. You guys are probably like, sis, what is a cut crease? Like, I've never heard of her before. What is she doing here? You know, it's just a cut crease. It's just a look that I came up with, you know, because my mind is just so powerful. No, I'm just kidding. Today's look is gonna be a cut crease, and it's super extra, super glittery, super colorful, and I'm feeling this look. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and hit that bell button right next to it so you guys can get notified for whenever I post, and you can just join the family, you know. It takes 2 clicks, okay? 2 clicks to join the fam. So if you guys want to know how to get this look, then keep on watching. Okay, so I've already primed my eyes with my Urban Decay primer potion off camera just to get that over with. Now I'm going to be taking the 35B palette, and I'm going to be picking up this yellow shade right here, and I'm going to be popping that into my crease. So I'm just taking a fluffy brush. This brush is from Shop Miss A. It's the E135 brush. I actually really love this brush. It's so good. I'm going to be taking this Star Crushed Minerals Loose Matte Shadow in the shade Stheno. It's number 38. It's like a really nice, it's like a really nice green color, and I'm living for it. So E136 brush. It's like a little bit tapered than the last brush from before. And I love this for like deepening up the crease. Now I'm just gonna blend the edges here so everything is nice and blended out. And now that I have the deepness that I want in the crease, it's time to cut it. Consider to cut my crease, I'm just gonna use this, I'm just gonna use this LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Pure Beige. Now, instead of just setting this all with a white eyeshadow, I'm just going to go straight into my yellow shadow. And I'm just going to use that same yellow from the Morphe 35B palette on a E139 brush from Shop Miss A as well. I'm going to be putting that right in the front, right here. I'm really packing this on because I want it to be super pigmented. And I didn't set the concealer because I want to make sure that the shadow is really pigmented. And it's okay if the color payoff is not as perfect here because we're going to be applying glitter anyway, so it's fine. Okay, now I'm going to be picking up this blue right here, this sky blue color, and this darker blue color, and I'm going to be popping that right on the rest of the lid space. And you want to make sure you're still leaving that space of that yellow here. blend in those edges. Because it's not a look unless it's blended. Okay. Okay, so for glitter today, I'm going to be using this Glam Goth... What the fuck? I'm going to be using this Glam Goth glitter, and it's like a really, really bomb-ass neon yellow color. I don't want to tip it over because it's like, it doesn't have a sifter, but you guys, woo! The camera doesn't even show it justice. Like, it looks so good in person, and I'm just gagging. I'm gagging. But yeah, I'm just going to apply some of this NYX glitter glue. And I'm gonna go ahead and apply this glitter right where this line is. And it's gonna look a little crazy at first, but you have to make sure you blend everything together. Gonna go in with that blue again. And I'm just gonna go right here and really blend the edges here. Okay, now I'm gonna rip off this tape and let's show the excellence. Woo girl, look at that. So sharp, so sharp. Now I'm gonna take the tape and I'm just gonna take the glitter off my face. Okay, for lashes today, I'm gonna be wearing my Shaniah lashes from Bahi Cosmetics. Nothing new here. You guys already know how I do. And I have a coupon code for you guys if you want to use it. 10% off of your purchase. It's just Makeupbyshaniah. I'll leave it on the screen and down below for you guys to check out. And I'll be right back. Okay guys, since the eyes are done, it's time to move on to the face. So, like always, we're gonna prime our face. So I'm gonna, you know, I want like some hydration. I need some life restored into me. So the first one I'm gonna be using is my Maybelline Master Prime Blur and Smoothing Primer. I absolutely love this primer. It's literally heavenly. The next primer I'm gonna use is the Becca Backlight Primer. I think that's what it's called. Yeah, Backlight Priming Filter. I love it so much because it's very hydrating and it just gives me a nice glow. A little glow. But I just like to really apply this with a brush, and I just like to apply it like on my high points of my cheeks and like my chin. It's a little white looking, but it's okay because we can just blend it out with our fingers. Anastasia Beverly Hills Stick Foundation in the shade Espresso. And you know, I like this foundation because it actually matches my skin like really well. But I feel like there's not enough product in it. And I know why, because it's like $25. That's why it doesn't have that much product, I think. I don't know. I don't really know. But yeah, to me, it doesn't really have like a whole bunch of product. Especially if you're like a full coverage bitch like me. I use like a lot of it. So, yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna put down my contour first. I don't know, I just don't want my concealer to dry down too fast. So I'm gonna use this Black Up contouring stick, and there's a contour and then there's like a kind of a highlight color. This is like literally my skin tone, so I'm not gonna use that side. I'm just gonna use the darker one. Just a little bit of it because it's like very dark and very creamy. So I'm just gonna like dot it. And I'm gonna put it on my forehead as well. I haven't contoured with on my forehead in a while, so I feel like I just need to do that. Then I'm gonna apply my concealer, and the concealer I'm gonna be using today is my ColourPop No Color No Filter ColourPop No Filter concealer in the shade Golden 60. And I'm just gonna blend out my contour with a brush. Blend out my concealer with a beauty sponge. Okay, now I'm gonna set my under eye concealer with my Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade Deep. Contour my cheekbones, and I'm just going to use my Morphe 35P palette. Absolutely love using these two shadows right here, these brown shadows, because it gives me a really nice natural contour. Now it's time for highlighter, and for highlighter today I'm going to be using my NYX Away We Glow in the shade Brick Road. Absolutely love this highlighter because it just looks super wet and like snatched. So okay, so for lips today, I'm going to use this Maybelline lipstick. This is the Super Stay Matte Ink lipstick in the shade Seductress. And then I'm going to apply some gloss over top. Come on, duh. And this is the Balm Gloss in the shade Snap. It's like a really pretty nude gloss. I'm actually just going to do the gloss on its own because I kind of like it better on its own. Because it already has color to it, you know what I mean? And the pink from that lipstick is just not gonna go with this look. Now I'm just gonna do the lower lash line really quick. I'm just going to add some bottom mascara. I'm going to be using the Total Temptation mascara from Maybelline. Okay guys, so this is it for today's look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Of course, I'm going to be leaving all the products that I used in this video in the description bar down below. You can follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat, all at Makeup by Shaniah, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
I never pretend like I'm perfect, but I can assure you I'm worth it.